Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how to change chat wallpapers on a chat on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, if you guys were supposed to change the chat, you can tap on their profile and usually you'll be seeing that somewhere here to change the chat. But right now, I don't know why I'm not seeing it. I usually do see it right here that it says change chat wallpaper. So if you do not find that option, what I need you guys to do is, first of all, you guys should know that that option is only available for Snapchat Plus users, right? So it is not a free option. You cannot just do it without paying anything. Snapchat wants you to pay for it. So I'm gonna go to my profile and show you real quick. So this is Snapchat Plus, and the first feature that we see here is the chat wallpapers, that you can change the wallpaper in chats for both yourself and your friends. So that is a feature of Snapchat Plus. If you really want to just change your wallpaper, I mean, there are a bunch of other stuff that comes with it as well. So you could go for Snapchat Plus. Otherwise, personally, I don't see any reason to actually get chat wall. Just pay an amount for just chat wallpapers. So this pricing really depends upon where you reside. If you're in the USA, I think it's $4 per month. Right now in my country, it's quite low actually, but the prices may vary from country to country, and the only way to get chat wallpapers is by getting Snapchat Plus. So once you get Snapchat Plus, you can always just find this option in your person's that person's profile settings, and then you can just add whatever you want and whatever is available. So that is pretty much it. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.